Do you spend lots of time creating fancy animations on your presentations? After you are done with your amazing work, did your slide become way too messy that you can only show it in presentation view? What if I tell you that Microsoft fixed that problem and created one transition that behaves just like animation? That's right, take a look on this. Normally, you would say that it was created using animations, right? Well, it's purely transition. This is a relatively new transition launched by Microsoft and we are going to take a look on it right now. Hello professionals, I'm Diogo and welcome back to another class to enhance your capability to deliver outstanding presentations. This one here in particular will be just great to save you a lot of time when preparing your presentations, without having to invest much time in animating them. Wondering how that animation on the beginning was created? Let's see the screen. But before it, aren't you a subscriber yet? It's been 1 minute that you are here with me. You are for sure interested, don't you? The subscription button is right down here on the right. This would be a tremendous help in growing my small channel and supporting me in creating and posting these very nice tips. Let's cut the story and let's see the screen. So guys, we are going to be talking about one transition called Morph. And what Morph does. The first thing you need to have Morph working is to have one element that is common between the previous slide and the next slide. So in this case here was this yellow text up here. See how it moved from the previous one, even with some shadow that I added. See how the shadow moves together? So this is the only pre-requirement that the Morph needs you to have. One element that exists in the previous slide, it also exists on the second one in a different form. It can be colored, it can be size, it can be position, whatever, but that element must exist on the next one. Then you see this transition happening automatically. Now, how to add Morph? Morph, guys, it's very simple. Let's duplicate this slide here and I'll give you a sample. I'll make now this test a little smaller and I'll put this test down here on the right, sorry, on the left. And I'll click here on transition and see that the Morph is already enabled. That's it, guys. I only need to make sure that the slide, not the element, has the Morph transition enabled. And that's all. Let's see. Normally every slide is chosen none. Just make sure to choose Morph. And see, saw it moving? Let's put the focus here on the slide 2, start presentation, and move to the next one. See? Guys, I did nothing. This is purely PowerPoint being smart now. This transition, as far as I understood, it's on the market for about 5 years. But no marketing, no nothing was done against this very nice transition. Just recently, there was some merchandising from Microsoft to suggest you, when you're creating a presentation, to use this transition. And then I click to know more, and guys, it's just amazing. I cannot imagine how much time I could save in using stuff like this. You know, that animation tab, it's at least half gone because this transition, this slide transition now exists. Let's see more. Now let's see the whole stuff together and see how powerful you can create things here in PowerPoint. See this one. First thing you need is to have the element happening on both slides. Once you move, see, it keeps moving one to another and it simply understands where it was one and where it has to be on the next one. If I keep moving, I added these icons here. They are native from PowerPoint. If I keep moving, see, this movement was done by the transition, not me. And then I just added the text and see what's next. This is a news that I got from Bloomberg, and see how the 4 other elements came down here. I simply copied them down there and the PowerPoint did everything for me. See how the big one came up here very nicely in focus. See what's next. And guys, I just copy and pasted the icons to those positions and then deleted the one down there. And the PowerPoint did the whole stuff. And see, I'm moving, and guys, that's it guys, this is Morph. Very simple. I did some turnarounds just to emphasize how nice was this new transition and show you guys some business cases to emphasize, you know, how nice was this transition created. You know, well done Microsoft, this was a great work. It's just great when you see someone coming to you with a tip like this and make your life so easy, don't you think? Keep checking my channel, folks. I have several other videos, other great tips just like this one here, completely free for you. If I need something exchange, of course I do. I need subscribers. YouTube channels, they don't exist without subscribers. If you really enjoy this content, please consider to do so. It's a tremendous motivation for me to continue producing contents like this very one. Also, please don't forget my like. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.